What's up, people, and welcome back by this new live stream here once again on the channel. Thank you for tuning in to this amazing stream that we're going to do once again today. And guys, right away, I will be going into the interesting topic about Ethereum, because you can see yesterday, of course, we did this amazing live stream, and that yesterday we streamed approximately 8 or 10 hours ago, and we were seeing that Ethereum was crushing through the all-time high, and right now we were even showing more follow-through. It was very interesting what we were going to do, and we were discussing yesterday as well that we can maybe have a possibility of a retest of the previous all-time high. And if you look right now to the Binance chart, on the next 4 hourly candle, since we closed it yesterday, we perfectly retested the all-time high. And of course, after such a retest from the all-time high, it's very imminent to see a bounce to the upside, because all-time high, previous all-time high, very strong resistance. But once you're retesting such a very strong level of resistance, you can test it as support, and we clearly did test it as support, and we moved up here. So guys, it is looking like that alt season is all upon us here. It's already almost seems like so, because Ethereum, of course, pumping where Bitcoin is still not doing anything here. So I'm still in this Ethereum trade. I took yesterday live stream some minor profits. Right now, approximately 1.4 Ethereum profit. But I'm looking, of course, to write this trade. Let me, oh damn. Let me quickly go to, oh damn, I do it once again. So let me quickly go to the Ethereum chart on this one as well, because I'm looking to looking to trade more Ethereum, because it is looking like the Ethereum price action is, of course, giving us the best returns. So let's see what we're going to do. Are we going to see another pump live in stream? That will be, of course, very amazing. And right away, Miles Pauling, what's a good Litecoin long? So Miles, I will be going into your request in a second. First, I see everyone saying right now in the chat, good morning. So very cool that everyone is right now tuning in here. Good morning for everyone who's right now waking up, or for everyone here who's in America. Good night already, because probably you're going to bed anytime soon here. But guys, thank you so much for tuning into the stream already. I see already 336 people tuning in. This is, of course, very amazing. So check DOT. Let me quickly first check Polkadot, and after that I will be going into Bitcoin, because guys, we were discussing Polkadot yesterday, and this is, of course, extremely lovely to see. This is extremely lovely to see. You can see finally we are crushing through the all-time high. And if I just disable this chart, guys, because I also want to look at the possibilities for the next the next level of the major resistance, because for the next level of major resistance I will be using the Fibonacci tool, and I'm using the Fibonacci tool so I can spot maybe next levels of resistance. And the next major level for Polkadot, if we're looking to the Fibonacci chart, is approximately $52. So good morning, everyone. It's 3:18 a.m. That's absolutely insane, guys. That's absolutely insane. Hello from Arizona. That's cool. Everyone's saying good morning. Thank you for all tuning in, guys. We're just starting the stream off. We're just 4 minutes live, and like I promised you yesterday, this stream will be way longer. I will be trying to do a 4 or 5 hour stream today, so looking forward to it already. But yeah, if you look at the Polkadot price action, in my opinion, the next major resistance target is around the $52, and it is looking finally that we are reversing this downtrend, guys. And this is what I was talking about with Polkadot. Polkadot was consolidating for a long period of time. Polkadot was consolidating. Well, I had a run up. Not really a parabolic run up, to be honest, but it was consolidating around this level. So I like this consolidation, because this is just giving a very good support in the future. If we're going to fall, if we're going to retest this level, this will be acting as very good support. So in my opinion, Polkadot is looking very strong. It's consolidated for a while, and right now it is ready to start an insane rally up, guys, once again. And the only unfortunate part that I am seeing right now is that you on the 4 hourly are operating a bearish divergence than on the previous high. So in my opinion, it's not really a major bearish divergence. Probably going to invalidate this one anytime soon. But this is a thing that you want to keep an eye out on. On the daily, it's even more extreme bearish divergence. You can see forming a huge bearish divergence on the daily. So you want to be careful with Polkadot right now. I should not rush into a trade right now, or I should not rush into a position right now. But in my opinion, it's more likely to show even more volatility to the upside. It's more likely to find more volatility to the upside. And people are also talking about Ethereum. So I will be going back into Ethereum in a second, guys. Give me a moment. Let me discuss Bitcoin, because yesterday we were seeing Bitcoin once again dropping off a little bit, and we were not holding on to the previous support line, what I do not like to see, to be honest. You can see this gray box of resistance, we're breaking above it, and I was expecting that we're going to hold on to that line and then move up once again. But for what we are having right now is, of course, we did not hold on to the support line. We broke to the downside and found support on the previous support levels where we were doing it as well over here. So that's, of course, a little bit concerning for me. I mean, it's nothing to worry about, to be honest. But I would have loved to see Bitcoin holding on to this level, to be honest, because right now you can see it's once again acting as resistance. This 4-hourly candle is fighting once again, and it's going to close in 38 minutes. And we're going to see the 4-hourly candle close, of course, but I would have rather seen Bitcoin, of course, trading above this level so we can bounce to the upside once again. So let's see what Bitcoin can do. Was this a fake out? Can we right now still confirm the bullish move to the upside? Will be, of course, very important for me, because then the inverse and shoulders can be playing out, or the cup and handle can be playing out. But I do want to be seeing the volume and the follow through coming in for Bitcoin. So you can see also, we were talking about the EMA ribbons for a long period of time already on the channel if we're talking about Bitcoin. So let me go into the chat in a second, guys. I will be going into the chat in a second. But if you look to the EMA ribbon on Bitcoin, it is very interesting, because you can see the EMA ribbon on the 4-hour is just providing a lot of support. And this is once again showing the significance as previous bull runs as well. In the not bull runs, but in the previous legs ups as well. You can see we were finding support each and every time for Bitcoin. Once we're reaching the EMA ribbon here, you can see once we're reversing the trend to the upside, we're finding support each and every time on the EMA ribbon, and then we move higher. So what we just a few hours ago, let me see how much hours ago, just exactly 8 hours ago, we were bouncing from the EMA ribbon. And thank you for your support of the nation, Rennie. Thank you for your $1. Thank you for supporting the channel. But you can see we are each and every time bouncing from this level, and of course setting higher lows in the on the wick. So it is still looking good here for Bitcoin. The uptrend is still in play here. Nothing to worry about. But it is just, the show is right now just getting stolen by these altcoins, and of course I love to see it. I love to see the altcoins gain. But yeah, the altcoins are just stealing the show at the moment. So let me quickly go back into Ethereum, because let's spot some levels of possible resistance, because you can see Ethereum is growing very quickly, but do we also have to be careful? Because maybe if you see a chart growing so quickly, you maybe also think, but then Bitcrypto Rover, don't you think that we have to be a little bit careful? Yes, of course. I was yesterday also speaking with some guys. They opened a long position over here, and I told them, yeah, okay, if you're opening a long position on the retest of the previous all-time high, it's a good thing. But I mean, you do want to be really careful if you're opening a long on this one over here. It's way too risky. Don't open a long position so high. In my opinion, it's pretty interesting. I still think that Ethereum can be going towards the $2,500 in the coming 4 weeks. But I'm saying this in the coming 4 weeks, or I'm not saying this that Ethereum is going to go to, let's say, $2,500 is just a matter of a few hours or just a matter of a few days. It will be taking a little bit longer. And what we right now need for Ethereum is, I think that we need some consolidation, because we're, as you can see in the RSI as well, we are extremely overextended. And once you're so overextended, you can also reverse very quickly. So if we can maybe see some sideways consolidation and maybe a pattern playing out here, it would be very lovely. But that is the most healthy scenario for Ethereum, but what I truly expect, to be honest, because I know Ethereum, and Ethereum has these very stealth run-ups each and every time, as you can see also over here. I do think that we are that it is not out of the books that we're going to do another insane rally to the upside. I think maybe we can even see a $2,300 Ethereum today, but of course we're only getting more overextended. But Ethereum is highly anticipated at the moment, and of course, let's see what it will be doing. We also have Ethereum futures, so we're also going to create a gap if we're going to push higher with Ethereum. So do more expect the other altcoins to pump than Ethereum. I do think Ethereum did the first run, and right now the other altcoins will be popping. Ethereum is growing so quickly, and it's overextended. Yes, it is overextended, Captain Jack Sparrow. So, yeah, let's go to Chainlink real quickly. After that, going to Cardano. I'm going to go into every single altcoin. But first, I will be starting off with the top 5 altcoins, just the top 10 altcoins. Let's discuss Chainlink here, guys. Because we were discussing this yesterday as well, and I don't know why my chart is redoing this each and every single time. But guys, we were discussing Chainlink yesterday in the channel, and we were talking about this critical gray box that we want to clear here. So you can see resistance, 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 and we're finally breaking through this level. So this is one of the most bullish things I have seen here for Chainlink since a long period of time, because I love to look at horizontal resistance levels, guys. And I think that we can be retesting the previous all-time high anytime soon here. Just like Polkadot is right now also moving up here. And Rennie also saying, hey bro, good morning, Rennie from LA. I appreciate you. So Rennie from LA, thank you for your appreciation. Thank you for your super chat. And big shout out to you, of course. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. So, Chainlink, what we are having here, we finally broke through this level, guys. And yesterday we were discussing about this. If you want to open a position on Chainlink, I do think right now is the time, because what we are seeing here as well is previous resistance flipping into support right now. And we will be testing the previous all-time high anytime soon, just like Polkadot did. And if you look to the Polkadot chart, and I like to compare Chainlink with Polkadot, you can see we retested the all-time high over here, and we just completely smashed through. So just like Ethereum, just like Polkadot, I think that Chainlink is going to do the same. Once retesting the all-time high here, once retesting this level over here, we just will be smashing through this level. It will be just a matter of a few minutes, and we're probably going to smash through it, and we're going to create a new leg up here for Chainlink as well. Also, very nice consolidation. I like the way how Chainlink is moving, to be honest. And I'm saying this because it is not moving in such a rapid pace. Of course, it's moving quite significantly to the upside. But you can see it's move up, consolidation, move up, consolidation. And right now it's ready for another leg up. So if you're willing to accumulate swing trade positions, I still think you have right now the time to accumulate these swing trade positions. And if you want to sign up, you can right away do it with referral links in the description, guys. But if you're looking to trade, I should be really looking for swing trades at the moment, because I think there will be, this coming month will be very good for the altcoin gains, and we're going to see some very insane increases in price. So if you're willing to step into some swing trades, right now is the time, guys. So Chris, thank you for your support and donation. You're saying, at what price should I long Bitcoin? So if you're not in a long position, I can discuss it real quickly. And guys, by the way, one thing that I do want to be saying here, right now having 700 viewers already. We're just starting the stream off for 10 minutes. And already 700 of you guys are tuning in here. So can we also maybe reach the 200 likes? That will be, of course, a very amazing thing if we can do so. Because then, of course, we can be maybe heading towards the 1,000 likes. And yesterday also announced the winner of the mark. So we'll be doing another mark giveaway once reaching the, let's say 1,000 likes. So looking forward to it already. So if you want to support the channel completely for free, make sure to smash up these likes. And usually a lot of people are forgetting it. And that's the reason why I'm saying this quickly, because I do want to remind you guys, you know. So what is a good entry price for Bitcoin? And of course, I am already in my Bitcoin position. So for me, it's very easy to say. And it, of course, really depends on what kind of leverage you're going to use. And also depending on what your strategy is, of course. So I should really enter Bitcoin, because it right now looks like that we are we are ignoring the supportive line over here on the 4-hour. We're just going sideways with Bitcoin. And of course, because we're going sideways, you can see these altcoins popping off here. But once Bitcoin is consolidating under resistance, because it's still consolidation under resistance, even though we already broke it, in my opinion, over here. We're probably forming some kind of a pattern. So what is a good entry target for Bitcoin? So let me go to the 1 hour. And if you look at this, you can see we are breaking down of the ascending triangle. And of course, this is a very bearish bias scenario. So this is also a thing that is making me feel a little bit concerning. And if I draw it more like this, you can see even more significance coming back into the chart. And are we right now seeing this stealth rejection? It does look like so. So there are some things for Bitcoin what is making me feel a little bit concerning, and maybe this is because they want to shake us out, they want to scare us off over here, but this is definitely a thing that I can't ignore, and it is not looking very bullish at the moment. So can we still break above it? That will be, of course, very interesting if we can, but this is, of course, making me feel quite shocking. But the point here is, you can draw this one in multiple ways. So you can also draw an ascending triangle from here on. And then you have even more supportive touches. So do I think it's right now a good time to long? Yes, I still think that it's a good time to long. And the reason why is because the market sentiment is up to the upside. And I don't really expect Bitcoin to go a little bit lower. But then I want to say another thing, because right now it is weekend. So I still think it's quite interesting if you should do it. I mean, it's way more risky to open a trade in the weekends. To be honest, I should be very careful with trading in the weekends. You want to take it slow, and if you really want to take it safe here, of course, you can wait on a Monday. And if you're still willing to enter a trade, I should only enter a trade with very low quantity or with a very low leverage. So yes, you can be entering a trade, and if you're willing to do so, maybe the approximately 59K. 59K will be the level that you can be looking for a bounce, because this is once again support. You can see it was acting as support. And of course, the more touches you are testing as support, the more likely it will be that you're going to break it as well. But also, I do still expect that we're going to move up here. I do still expect that Bitcoin is bullish. If you zoom out, I mean, the first pattern was, of course, looking like a bearish pattern. But if you then remove all the drawings and you look at this scenario, what we are right now having on the 1 hour, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. It is each and every time setting a higher low. So the market sentiment is still to the upside, and I can't ignore that. I want to be looking at it, and that is the reason why I do think it's looking very good for Bitcoin. So let me also flip on to some moving averages. So this is also a very interesting thing here, because this is the 20-day moving average on the 4-hourly candles. And guys, usually once I go back into the charts here, Look at the significance. Since we were breaking above it on the 4-hour, you can see each and every time once touching this level, we were of course consolidating but bouncing up, consolidating but bouncing up. And what are we doing right now once again for Bitcoin? Of course, it's still weekend, and I don't want to see Bitcoin taking out the all-time high in the weekend. I definitely don't want to do so, but we are right now finding support on this level once again, and you can see perfect touches each and every time. And every time once we're touching this level on the 4-hour, it is looking extremely bullish. So yeah, maybe it will be taking a little bit longer till we are going to move up to the upside. And guys, I will be going into Litecoin in a second. I see loads of requests right now coming in here. Litecoin is highly anticipated, so let me go into Litecoin in a second. But 20-day moving average on the daily time frame, guys, you can see over here, still looking good. Still looking relatively good, but you can see a lot of indecision for Bitcoin right now. Wicks on both sides, so consolidation. But yeah, a move is imminent. A move is imminent, or it will be this weekend, or it will be this Monday. There will be a lot of volatility returning into the market. There will be huge volatility, and Bitcoin will be seeing a huge move. But it's more the question, when are we going to see it, and not if we're going to see it, because you can probably see, if I flip on the volume as well here, you can see, yeah, on the daily volume decreasing a little bit here. So it is just making itself ready for an insane rally either direction. So yeah, make sure to, I mean, I'm already in good positions for Bitcoin. You're ever thinking about doing sport commentary? No, I've now think about it. I know sometimes I can be a very good commentator, maybe. So thanks, bro. I will be using a 25x leverage, maybe 20. I should really be careful. I should, if you're with a 20x leverage. I mean, yeah, you have 5% that you can be before you liquidate. But of course, I should use a stop loss. But then 56.4k. Will be your liquidation price. And to be really honest, I don't think that we're going to see the 56k, sorry. I don't think that we're going to see the 56k anytime soon here, but I should never write your trade so deep into the red. So, of course, use a stop loss here, maybe afford only to lose 1.5%. So yeah, of course, you have to make your own strategy here. But I still think the risk to reward what we are right now looking at is still worth it. And maybe if I zoom out on Bitcoin, you can see that we are creating an ascending triangle on the daily. And maybe this is still a possibility that we can be looking at, guys. Maybe this is still a possibility that we can be looking at, because on the daily it is showing a lot of significance. And yeah, an ascending triangle, of course, a very bullish bias pattern. Maybe we're going to see a rejection to the downside. And if we're going to see so, yeah, guys, you all know it. I will be only looking to accumulate more positions, but I don't think it's likely. I don't think it's like that. I do think Bitcoin is just going to crush for the all-time high anytime soon. But then I will be going into Litecoin, because Litecoin, I see a lot of people right now in the chat. A lot of people right now in the chat are so bullish on Litecoin, and I completely get it. And the reason why, guys, the reason why, it already surged approximately 20% to the upside since the past 5 days. So that is, of course, an insane rally to the upside. Since breaking through this gray box, we were creating a lot of volatility here. So what you can see right here, guys, yesterday we were talking about Litecoin, that we have to break through this white level of resistance. So since we were breaking through here, first we got two major resistance, we got two major rejections, and right now we are showing the follow through, and we're going to close this 4-hourly candle in exactly 25 minutes. So guys, once closing this 4-hourly candle above the resistance line, this is extremely bullish for the price action of Litecoin, because if we're going to close it above, we are probably going to find support on the previous major resistance level. And you can see this was rejecting the previous local high for Litecoin as well, and also pushing the price a little bit lower. And I do think, because I've said this already multiple times, I do think because Ethereum is gaining so quickly, these other altcoins usually follow Ethereum just a little bit later. So just like you can see with Polkadot right now, just like you can see with Chainlink right now, they're following Ethereum, but only in a slower pace, and just they're just lagging behind for a moment. So what we are having right now for the Litecoin chart, probably going to close the 4-hourly candle above it. But once we're having a retest, guys, I will be opening a live trade. I will be opening a live trade here on my FamX account, so definitely make sure to already smash up the likes if you want to see me doing this live trade, because I will be looking to open a live trade on Litecoin, guys. Are you looking forward to it? I am, and of course, I'm anticipating a huge breakout to the upside, so I will be looking for this long position anytime soon here, guys. I will be doing it live in the stream. If we're closing this 4-hourly candle, I will be going back into the Litecoin chart. If I see that we did create a wick on the top side, of course, I will be not entering it. But if we clearly close it above it, like we're doing right now, I will be looking to open a position, because this can, of course, potentially give us a 50% return if we're going to see this clear breakout. So FKP, you're saying Ren, so let me go into Ren in a second. Let me go into it in a second. But guys, I will be looking to open a live trade. And also, we just smashed the 200 likes. Thank you so much for smashing up already 200 likes, guys. Let me quickly take a drink here. I'm getting very excited. I'm getting very excited. So, I will be opening this live trade in the stream, guys. We're going to definitely do this in a moment. Once we're seeing this very early close. So, people are saying 88 breakout. First, I will be checking RAM, by the way. After this, I will be going to 88. Guys, I will be going into every single request, of course. I will be trying to do my best. I will be trying to do my best. Litecoin versus Ethereum. Who will be faster? Let's see. Let's see. I think the transactions will definitely go to Litecoin. But yeah, let's see what Ren is doing here. Let me remove all my charts. So I removed everything so I can look at it at a clear view, of course. So first, we were, of course, creating this very stealth resistance line over here. And then we were creating a little bit of a slower resistance line, and also some kind of a support line that was down sloping over here. So this is looking pretty interesting for me. If you draw these resistance lines here and support lines, you can see here, of course, first breaking this stealth downwards sloping resistance line. And right now we have this, rather slower downward sloping resistance line, and that we are trading at right now. So for the RAM price action, you can see we are consolidating under resistance. So in my opinion, yes, we can see a move up getting created, and especially why I'm saying this is because this is just very familiar. It's also the third touch. If it was the second touch, it was very likely to see a correction, but the third touch is usually more likely to break above it. So the more touches you are having of a certain level, the more likely it will be that you're going to crush through that level as well. So that is also the thing that I'm right now anticipating for the price action of Ren here. Are we going to see insane follow through here? I definitely think yes, we can be seeing insane follow through. So yeah, if we're going to break this level, of course, there's no clear price target because we are not really creating a clear pattern, even though that you are also creating a very stealth uptrend right now. So a breakout is for me imminent. So if we're not going to smash through this resistance level, we're definitely going to break down. But I would rather see a breakup for you, of course. So yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Are we going to crush through this level or not? It's really a decisive moment right now. Probably in the next 8 to 16 hours, you're going to see a breakout. So, let me go to GRT of this. Okay, guys, I will be going into ADA. I see everyone still talking about ADA and BNB. I will be going into these. Give me just a moment. First, we'll be going into a request here because you were talking DL. Thank you for support of the nation. And you're saying, can you check GRT, please? And of course, I can check GRT because I'm also hugely exposed to GRT. So, what were we creating over here? It looks like some kind of a falling wedge, even though I don't really like the significance of the chart. I rather call this consolidation. And this is, of course, downward sloping consolidation, but consolidation was definitely in need because GRT just came around here in the market, just launched on Coinbase. And an insane rally up, and then, of course, you're getting so overextended. Also, you can see it in the RSI, and then you are in need of consolidation. So what are we going to do? And then I'll already talk about GRT for maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and every week I am saying to you guys, I think GRT will be blasting off anytime soon. It is just having very bullish consolidation at the moment, and it will be blasting off anytime soon once again. So that is also the thing that we are having right now, in my opinion. We are finally breaking this critical level of resistance, and of course, there will be multiple levels of resistance that we still have to clear. And if I set up this Fibonacci chart, because damn, I have to draw it correctly. Give me a second. So there will be a lot of levels that we can be looking at to crush through. But as you can see right now, we are probably going to find some support at the golden pocket entry. So in my opinion, it is looking particularly good here. GRT is looking good, and we're finally breaking through this level. Probably going to see more volatility getting created to the upside anytime soon. So, I mean, if you're spamming your right away, you get blocked, so please don't spam in the chat. But yeah, I think GRT can definitely move a little bit higher, guys. I don't think it's over yet here. We are just starting a new altcoin rally, and that is the reason why I'm loving it, guys. I love it because we're right now still watching to the charts particularly early, because you can look at it right now over here. And if you're watching the streams in, let's say, 2 weeks, we can already sitting at around pretty high levels. We can already, in let's say, or 1 or 2 weeks, we can already crush for the ultimate. And I think, especially with GRT, it can be going very quickly to the upside as well. So make sure to keep an eye out on the chart. I definitely think a lot of altcoins will be seeing insane returns. And if I go to CoinMarketCap real quickly, I will be going into the other requests from you, member for life, in a second. But if you look to CoinMarketCap, guys, and if I flip it onto the 24 hours, you can see yesterday we were only seeing, let's say, 15%, and right now already seeing Holo popping off with a 53% gain here. And guys, we are just starting once again here. April, it looks to be a very bullish month, and we were talking about it on Twitter already for such a long time that I can't wait on the month of April. And right now, of course, we are at the 3rd of April. We still have enough days over here, and usually April is a very bullish month for Bitcoin. And because Bitcoin is very bullish, the altcoins will be only gaining more and more interest. And I definitely think that we're going to see a lot of green across the board. So also if I go to CoinMarketCap, there's only green to see, guys. There's almost no red here. And that is, of course, a thing that we love here on the channel. You can see... if you look from, you can almost see no red. Of course, there are some coins in the red here. Phantom, only 2%. But not really... not a bloodbath or so. It's looking very good. So let's see what we're going to have here. But GRT is definitely looking good. I'm here now. Did you announce it in the Discord? Dean Harvey, yes, I did announce it in the Discord server that we were live. So Mapper for live. Please, it's my hidden gem also, DSLA. Please, it's my hidden gem also XRP. So DSLA, I mean, bro, I don't really know this one. This is your hidden gem. It looks to be a very cool, good gem here. But the only thing here, it just recently got launched, my friend. This coin recently came out here, and I know we're going to talk about a lot of altcoins because altcoins will be the place where you can make the most amount of gains here in the coming month, in my opinion. So that's the reason why I'm also accumulating loads and loads of altcoins. Yeah, but for DSLA, man, it's very hard to give my opinion about it. Not a lot of information about the chart. But let me go back to XRP for you because you are... oh, damn, this is insane what we're having right now, guys. This is insane what we're having for XRP right now. We were looking at the chart on the daily. This is... absolutely insane. And guys, I want to tell you already, I don't really like XRP. Right away was saying it, but guys, this is looking so similar to 2017, guys. This is looking so similar, and I know not a lot of people are talking about it. And even though I don't like XRP, I definitely think that we can see exactly the same over here. So that's just stealth run up. I think it can be in the play that XRP is going to grow exponentially anytime soon here, guys. Exactly the same. Symmetrical triangle over here on the daily. Symmetrical triangle over here on the daily. Not doing anything before. Ethereum is pumping to the upside. XRP is not doing anything. Ethereum is pumping to the upside. XRP is not doing anything. Is this historic moment a coincidence? I don't think so. I do think so. I do think that XRP can do the exact same, even though I don't like it. If I just purely look to the chart, if I just not look at the news, if I look at nothing, this looks extremely bullish for XRP, and I definitely think that XRP can be maybe heading towards the $3 in just a matter of a few days here. A matter of maybe 60 days, it can be seen 500% increasement or so. Be prepared. I don't know. I don't want to cause... I do want to be saying this because I'm looking to the chart and I can't stress enough about it because no one is really talking about it. So that's the reason why I want to inform you guys. And I definitely think, even though I not like XRP, it will be probably going to blast off to the upside. So... Bo Wen Shi is saying good evening. So thank you for tuning in, Bo Wen Shi. So right now we'll be going into ADA. Litecoin urgent. It may blow. Yes, I will be going into Litecoin in a second because, guys, we're right now having 1,000 viewers. If you just tuned into the stream, we will be opening a live trade on Litecoin once we're seeing the 4-hourly close, guys. So I will be setting up my live trade on Litecoin once we're closing the 4-hourly candle. And if you want to join them as well, I will be doing it here on Femix. So you can already set up your account if you want to do so, because we're going to do it in a second. And it looks like a very good setup that we are currently going to have for Litecoin. So... people are talking ADA is blasting off, and we'll be going into the Litecoin chart as well here in a second, but people are talking about ADA is blasting off. I don't think that ADA is really blasting off, to be honest. I do think ADA is just not doing anything interesting at the moment. But yeah, it will be blasting off as well. You can see Polkadot is blasting, you can see Ethereum, of course, and ADA is usually following these. So will Ethereum gain, will Cardano gain a lot? Yes, definitely it will be gaining. But yeah, it already saw these huge spikes once Ethereum was not doing anything. And if I look to the ADA compared to Ethereum valuation, it is looking ready to blast off once again here. Because guys, do I have to say this again? You always want to look for Cardano compared to Ethereum because it's a very important valuation. And not a lot of people, once again, are talking about this. But we and I want to spell this to you right away here. Because if you're holding Ethereum, if you're holding ADA, you have to look at this chart. You want to see which coin is going to give you the most returns. And at this moment, at this current moment, it looks like the ADA holders are in the favor because we are retesting this very, very, very critical level once again, guys. You can see 3 major rejections over here. Major rejections. And if I zoom in a little bit here, first, once we were touching this level, insane spike to the upside. And here, once we were breaking through, insane run to the upside. And are we cooling off right now on the daily? Yes. Are we creating a bullish divergence? Almost. But I can't call this a bullish divergence on the daily, unfortunately. But it is looking very bullish, in my opinion. We are retesting this line once again. And people, are you willing to stay on the sidelines on 88 right now? People are always willing to buy 88 once it's sitting at such high levels. But right now, you have the opportunity to buy 88 at low prices, in my opinion. So, in my opinion, yes, ADA is going to see a very stealth run to the upside. So for all the ADA holders, you are doing a good job here. You are early, and I'm of course also an ADA holder. It's also giving maybe us an opportunity to trade this anytime soon here. But if you look to the ADA compared to Ethereum valuation, is looking very strong. And also, if you look purely to the chart, it is of course still in this ascending triangle. Huge bullish bias pattern. It's of course on the 4-hour, and the higher the time frame, I always talk about it. The higher the time frame, the higher the time frame, the more significance you are going to see. So for ADA, you're forming an ascending triangle here on the 4-hour. It's looking like it's very good. It's looking like a very solid pattern because you have multiple touch points on the lower sides and you've already 2 touch points on the top side. So maybe if we're going to see a rejection, I would still be very bullish because then we're only confirming the horizontal resistance and confirming also the ascending triangle. So what I would like to see here for the Cardano price action is of course a smash through the all-time high, because then we can definitely look for new highs. I'm saying all-time high. Yeah, this is all-time high. So definitely want to see a smash through the through this high here. And then of course a retest, because then we can be confirming the ascending triangle. And guys, the price target will be very shocking, but this can be bringing ADA towards $2. Killing it over, guys. Of course, we're killing it just like always. And this is once again the thing what I do want to be saying here, guys. I say this so many times, but still, I always look at the live chat. I'm always trying to help you out because I'm trying to build a strong community all with everyone, and I'm trying to learn everyone the knowledge, and I want to bring over the knowledge that I currently have. And the point here is, you want to buy coins cheap. You want to be buying coins once they haven't pumped yet here. And this is exactly the thing that we are seeing right now once again. Because you always, if you're looking to ADA, look to the ADA compared to Bitcoin, and ADA especially compared to Ethereum valuation. And yeah, we just discussed it. ADA compared to Ethereum is just looking like it is going to blast off anytime soon here. So let me get back into the Litecoin chart, guys. Because I know a lot of people are right now anticipating the Litecoin breakout, and we will be doing this live trade in the stream, guys. We will be looking to open a live trade. We will be setting up a limit order on my Femex account here. And let me go to Femex, let me go to Litecoin. And we'll be drawing it over here as well here, this pattern. So guys, we will be looking to trade Litecoin as well on Femex. So if you're willing to join, you can right away sign up here. Will be of course very amazing. And also guys, I think that's very amazing is that we are currently only 14 more subscribers away from the 30.3k. Can we reach the 30.3k? That will be very insane and very lovely, of course. Can we do it? Will be of course very amazing. So let me see real quickly if I draw it over here as well. We'll be setting up this line, this pattern over here, because guys, the point here is this pattern is of course very huge pattern, and that is the thing that I do like. It's a pattern on the 4-hour, and it's very huge. So the breakout will also be very significant because you have 3 touch points on the lower side. This is the 3rd touch point on the top side, and maybe still there's a possibility that we're going to see a fake out. It's really depending on how you're going to draw it, and I do want to be seeing some more confirmations coming in here. But right now it is looking like that we are crashing through this high. It is looking like that we're finally breaking the critical resistance, what was holding us back for such a long period of time already. So, in my opinion, yes, it is looking good here, and I will be trading this. Good morning, Raymond. Thank you for tuning in here. Good day, everyone. Shelbro, thank you for tuning in. Everyone is right now tuning into the stream. And guys, oh damn, we're even 2 more subscribers away right now. Everyone is smashing up the subscriber buttons. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We're just doing an insane job here, and it looks like the alt season is really upon us. So, Litecoin is the asset that we will be trading, guys. Litecoin is the asset that we will be trading today. Of course, also looking for multiple trades for other coins. I always will give my opinion about it, but look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys. It is really looking like that we are going to fall here even further to the downside. And in exactly 16 hours, we're going to close this 3-day candle. And why you're looking to the 3-day candle, I mean the 3-day candle is very significant on the Bitcoin dominance and the altcoin dominance. So right now, currently sitting around 58.43%. And what can you see over here? We were discussing this line so long already. And in my opinion, this is just the first red candle for the Bitcoin dominance. And of course, there are some support levels below here that can really provide good support for Bitcoin. But look at this. Resistance, support, support, support. And what are we doing right now? What are we doing right now? we are just falling through this level. We're falling through this level. We're not providing any support, and it looks like that we're even falling further. So in exactly 16 hours, we're going to see the confirmation for the Bitcoin dominance falling through the most significant support level that we have ever seen here for the Bitcoin dominance in the past, let's say, past 3 years. This support line was providing Bitcoin support for the past 3 to 2 years here, guys. So that's absolutely insane that we're finally going to fall through this level, and this can really be identifying that we are having an altcoin season, guys. And do I love altcoin season? Yes, I definitely love it. And by the way, guys, 2 more likes before reaching the 300 likes. 2 more likes if you want to smash up the likes right away here. If you're enjoying altcoin season, if you're anticipating altcoin season, make sure to smash it up, because only 2 more people have to smash it up, and then we reach the 300 likes, of course. And the 30.3k support, what you're talking about. So you're talking about 30%. I mean, 30% won't be reached. I don't think that we're going to reach 30%, to be honest, in the Bitcoin dominance. I think that's way too heavy. But for this alt season, I can be expecting maybe a 40% Bitcoin dominance, and of course 40% will be huge gains for the altcoins. That's absolutely insane. So Chris Sherrill right away donating, because he has a question here about the Bitcoin dominance, and you're saying, does lower Bitcoin dominance mean lower prices for Bitcoin? No, that does not matter. The lower the Bitcoin dominance is going is not meaning that the Bitcoin price will be going lower as well here. It's only meaning that if you go to the market cap, you can see it here in the top of the screen. The current market cap is approximately 2 trillion. It only means that there is going more money into altcoins. So the altcoins having more dominance on the market. And of course, once Bitcoin is falling and the Bitcoin profits is going into altcoins, you're seeing also that the Bitcoin dominance is falling very quickly, but it can be falling in 2 ways. It can also just be falling because there's more money going into altcoins than Bitcoin. So no, it does not mean that Bitcoin will be falling. It really depending, of course. But what you're right now having here is basically, because Bitcoin is not pumping, but the altcoins are, is that people are still accumulating Bitcoin, because people are right now selling off their Bitcoin. People are here selling their Bitcoin for altcoins, where big whales are still accumulating. Big whales are accumulating, and the dumb money, not the dumb money, but I mean, a lot of people are right now selling their Bitcoin for altcoins, and that is what you can see right now. And these big institutions are still accumulating their Bitcoin and just holding the price steady over here, because it's also getting sold and shifted into altcoins at the moment, because everyone is seeing the insane gains that are right now being made. So yeah, looking forward to it, guys. Looking forward to it. So Donnie Lee, by the way, guys, thank you so much for reaching the 30.3k here. I just asked you guys, and right away smashing it up so quickly here, almost heading towards the 30.4k already. You guys are already smashing it up right now, so thank you so much for supporting the channel. But Donnie Lee, you're saying, can you check EOY price prediction for synthetic? So let me quickly. Oh damn, I can't look at the chart because it's not currently available. It's not available here on the CoinMarketCap. It is not available at the moment, so of course I don't want to be. It's also not over here. So what is my price prediction for synthetic? And synthetic price prediction will be pretty easy to say, to be honest, because I was still calling this. I was still calling that we are going to see a 5 to 10x still for the altcoins, even though that we are already at these high stages. People are thinking a 5 to 10x is still pretty ambitious, but I don't think it's too ambitious. I do think it's very likely that we're going to reach a 5 to 10x here, and I definitely am anticipating it as well here. So I still think if I'm saying a 5 to 10x here, $100/$200 is still in the books for synthetic as well, because the most amount of altcoins will be just pumping, and of course there will be other altcoins that will be performing way better. And I know, I do think that I'm currently holding some very good altcoins that will be performing very good, and I will be sharing these as well here. And guys, recently a very good update about the exit strategy video, and also in that exit strategy video, I will be discussing a very interesting gem. I will be discussing a gem as well here. So I just uploaded that video. I just have to make a thumbnail, and then I can be putting it online. So maybe already today I will be uploading the exit strategy video, guys. So make sure to already ring that bell notification, because that video will be very important, because right now we're making very good gains. And of course, I'm not saying the bull market is over yet, guys. I'm not saying it's over yet, but we have to think about what we will be doing with our profits, because sometimes it is just smart to look at certain positions. Sometimes it's smart to maybe step out the market a little bit here, minor taking profits and gaining interest on our profits. So that will be discussed in the exit strategy video. If you're looking forward to it, make sure to right away hit that bell notification. Also, you can join the Discord server, because in the Discord server we'll be definitely making an announcement over there that I'm uploading that video. So Zero also donated €2, and you're saying, can you please take Zilliqa? So of course, Zilliqa, want to check it. I definitely want to check Zilliqa. Because Zilliqa is also moving up quite significantly, guys. Once again, price action of Zilliqa doing very, very well. And what we are having currently, right away we'll be setting up this gray box of support, guys. Right away we'll be setting up this gray box of support. And what we currently are having here, this is absolutely showing so much significance for everyone who's holding Zilliqa. I think if you're not holding it yet, you can be buying it right now. Because what are we seeing over here? We're crushing through the high. First we're finding resistance over here, and then we are smashing through the for this high over here, and then we are finding support on it. So it's looking good. Let me quickly. So okay, I heard something very, very weird. So I'm asking if everything is okay over there. So. Yeah, what you're currently having for Zilliqa is that you're finding resistance, major resistance over here, and right now smashing through it and finding support. And just like the Litecoin price, actually, guys, we will be going into Litecoin in 3 minutes because then we can be setting up our limit order. I'm looking forward to the limit order already because this potential trade that we will be taking on Litecoin will be giving us so good returns. I can't literally wait on it. So looking forward to it. But Zilliqa is giving you a very strong opportunity to buy right now. Smashing through, finding support at the previous all-time high. Yeah, looking good, guys. It's exactly like Ethereum. If you look to this chart and you then go back to Ethereum, you can see the significance once again here. You can see this 4-hourly candle, creating a big wick, testing the previous all-time high, and then, of course, showing more follow-through. So it is looking very good. Let me go back to Litecoin because I want to be discussing this one because I really, really, really want to open a trade here. So, really, I really want to open this trade here live in the stream, of course. Guys, I will be setting up a limit order in a second because we can still create a big wick on this one. So, yeah, if you're willing to join the trades, it will be, of course, very amazing. You can sign up with the referral link in the description. You can already do that if you want to, of course. But yeah, I will be looking forward to it. I will be, of course, opening this trade live in the stream. Giving also the exact digits once opening this one. And guys, yeah, I mean, all the trades are still doing good. I'm also a lot in Bitcoin trades at the moment. I'm only in one trade of Ethereum. Of course, that's my reason why I do want to be maybe accumulating some more Ethereum trades at the moment. That is my reason to maybe accumulate some more Ethereum trades at the moment. So that's also the reason why I'm saying Ethereum. But I mean, I'm looking to also accumulate some more altcoins positions because it is looking like alt season is upon us. We were just discussing the Bitcoin dominance, and it is just looking very good. So yeah, 4-hourly going to close in 1 minute and 1 minute and 15 seconds. Someone make another meme with Rover. That would be very cool, guys. If you want to make a meme, go to the Discord and just go to memes. Over there you can, yeah, just drop a meme. If you want to make a meme of me, you're getting a big shout out. I mean, I love memes. And my camera, what is it doing? So if you want to make a meme, you can do it over there. It will be, of course, very funny. I saw a video where they were saying Bitcoin is going towards the 1.2 million. Maybe the next bull run, not this year. I mean, I totally agree. Because 1.2 million, that is way too ambitious. Way too ambitious. I don't think that we're going to reach that. Please be realistic. Be realistic. And yeah, guys, by the way, we were discussing this as well, but I mean, this is just so significant what we are right now having. The drops are getting less and less and less. So you're seeing a drop-off of 30%, drop-off of 25%, and right now drop-off of 18%. So probably you can fill this in already, but let me know in the chat because there's a little bit of a delay, so I will be reading the things what you guys are saying. But what are we seeing over here? What is this chart telling us? What are these drop-offs telling us right now? Let me know real quickly, because I know what it is meaning. This is meaning that there are coming only more and more holders. So people are getting more greedy, and people are more willing to hold their Bitcoin because they're anticipating way higher prices for Bitcoin. Doesn't that mean something very interesting? Doesn't that mean that we're going to crush through the all-time high anytime soon? Guys, they're just only becoming more and more holders, and only the weekends are getting shaked out over here by these drop-offs. So I definitely love it. Why are you so confident in Litecoin? Because I also just like the fundamental worth of Litecoin. I know once Bitcoin is around 10 years, Litecoin will be definitely around here. Also, the developers are not standing still here. They're co-working with PayPal, etc. And the transactions are so cheap and fast and reliable. That's the thing that I love. But let me see. Less selling. I see already some people are saying, yes, we are seeing less selling. That is completely true. Best parent scheme ever. Yeah, guys, so we're just having... we're just having this guy's perfect. This guy is great at drawing circles. That's completely true. I'm a perfect circle drawer. But guys, yeah, we're right now having just minor drop-offs. It's getting less and less and less. You can see it's becoming less and less and less. And because of that, we're just gaining more strength in the market in general. And like I told you before, I do think this is the end of the first cycle, and we're going to start a new cycle. This is the end of the beginning, the end of the beginning of the bull run, and we're going to see exponential growth once again anytime soon, guys. Looking forward to it. So people are saying Litecoin, dude. So yeah, we closed the 4-hourly candle, guys. So we'll be right away setting my limit order over here. 12.12 will be my limit price, to be honest. 12.12. I will be using leverage of 10x here, not more than that. So yeah, if you want to join me, you can make a screenshot right now of this one. If you want to join me on this trade, you can make right away a screenshot if you want to. So stop loss will be approximately 15% here. Let me check it real quickly. Like, the stop loss will be 15% over here. We'll be looking at the stop loss exactly. Give me a second. I have to do something. Excuse me. But yeah, this is the trade. You can make a screenshot. And if you haven't saw it, you can go back into the video. You can make a screenshot because I'm looking to accumulate this trade here exactly on the retest. Not willing to enter right now because probably, yeah, we can maybe see another more volatile getting created. But guys, this is looking extremely bullish. And also another super chat here. I locked 53 Ethereum on Kraken in the beacon chain for staking, and I can't get it back until proof of stake. Was that a bad move? And that is your choice. It's really depending on what your strategy is. So you locked in so many Ethereum. I'm also locking in a lot of Curse to the Come because I'm staking as well. But I don't know. I think Ethereum 2.0 will be here in approximately July or so, and it can be even delayed longer. So I don't think it's a smart move, to be honest, because we're probably going to see very insane rallies. And in my opinion, once seeing, let's say, an Ethereum sitting around 5 or 6K, I should really look to maybe take some partial profits. And probably you can't because you still have your Ethereum locked in here. So, yeah, man, I should take it with a lot of caution. And I mean, what's the smart move? No, I don't really think so. I mean, staking is always a good thing here, but you can also just maybe get interest on it with not staking, but just putting it on an account. And I mean, you can be doing that on. I will be not talking about it because then you would just have to watch the exit strategy video. But I mean, I don't think it's a very smart choice because you do want to get out of Ethereum once it's sitting at all-time highs, of course. But of course, if your vision is here for, let's say, 5 or 10 years, I definitely think it's a good choice. Because if you're just already going to hold your Ethereum for 5 or 10 years, why not stake it? It's really depending on your vision. It's really depending on your vision. He just snorted. No. Raven coin. So let me check Raven coin as well. But edit to shorts. Let's see what it's going to do here. Let's see what it's going to do. That's what I think. No, it's not what you think. I'm just having, how do you call it? I mean, I'm just a little bit, not sick or so, but my nose is just leafy, so I had to fix it real quickly. But guys, still having this position open right now currently. So looking for entry, looking for an entry, waiting for the reverse to the downside, waiting for the confirmation of the breakout. So, so Ethan, I was saying, how high do you think Ethereum can go this next cycle? So I was already talking about it. So I will be going into your Raven coin in a second, guy. But yeah, how high Ethereum can go? I will be saying 6K will be my first extreme big take profit target. So 6K will be my big take profit target, and of course, it is very hard to say where the exact hub will be. So what my strategy will be here, because it's not smart to call for a level and then you go out 100%. So what I will be doing, I will be dollar cost averaging out of the market once reaching the 6K. So for Ethereum, it will be $6,000 before taking my first profits, and I will be already taking out, let's say, 20 to 25% of my initial. And not my initial, sorry, I will be taking out 25% of my position. And once reaching the 7K, another 25%. Once reaching the 9K, we'll be doing another 25%, and the rest I will be holding. So I do think 6K will be the top of the cycle, to be honest. But I mean, yeah, it can be getting way more overextended, of course. Let's try it. I can lose. Let's see what we're going to do. So Raven coin. Let me check Raven coin. Let me check Raven coin for you, my friend. So what is the Raven coin doing? Are we seeing very interesting things here? Be careful, it's not financial advice. That's completely true. Always have to trade at your own risk, guys. But I mean, it looks like it will be a very good setup. So also, Yesin is saying VeChain to $1 by the end of the year. I definitely think it's possible because that's only a 10x, and I think 10x's are still on the play for VeChain and of course also other coins. It's not out of the books. Really, if you connect to Wix over here, I mean, I don't really like the chart of Ravencoin, to be honest. Let me redraw this once again. I don't really like the chart. What we are having currently is this is looking nice, to be honest. If I look to the chart at the exact moment. If I looked at the exact moment and why did not it selected it. So if you look at the exact moment, you can see we are forming a descending triangle, guys, on the price action of Ravencoin. So of course I want to draw this a little bit more like this. So I don't really like the pattern, to be honest. It's not really the most beautiful one. And of course, I can still draw this over here. So descending triangles, of course, very bearish bias patterns. Are we going to see a breakout to the upside? That would be, of course, very lovely. I think it definitely is more likely to see a break to the upside than move to the downside. So let's see what we're going to do for the Ravencoin and price action. If we're going to move to the downside, I will be measuring the price target real quickly for you guys. If you look to the price target, you can see if we're going to move to the downside, it will be approximately at 10 cents for Ravencoin, 11 cents approximately. So if we're going to move to the upside, of course, we'll be bringing us back to the previous high over here, approximately 27 cents here. But yeah, I do think it's more likely to see a move to the upside getting created because we're still in the bull market. It's not very likely to see a move to the downside getting created. Let's see what Ravencoin will be doing here, of course. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, this is a pattern that you can be watching here. So still fighting against this resistance line over here. I do want to be seeing this breakthrough. And also if I set up a Fibonacci tool real quickly. From here to here, you can see over here we're also finding a lot of support on the Fibonacci and also getting a rejection from the top side of the 0.5. So there are multiple levels that you still have to break through. Also the 0.618 here, providing you a lot of resistance. You can see we touched it and right away dumped off. So for Ravencoin, you still have a lot of levels that you have to clear before really flipping bullish on this one. Hey, but do you still think Bitcoin can hit 80K by April? I mean, I do still think, I said it before, that that Bitcoin can be hitting 80K in April. Yes, I'm right away going to say it's only a 20K move. It's only 30% increasement. Yes, I still think it can be doing so. But to give you an update what I will be doing, the point here is, yes, I think it can be heading towards the, let's say, the 80K. But let me get also my other chart in front of you. Where it is? Let me right away get my other chart in front of you. So if I also show you my trades here, because I'm currently in a lot of Bitcoin trades. I'm approximately in 3 or 4 Bitcoin trades. Let me check this trade real quickly. Approximately an 8K profit. But what I will be doing here, because yes, I'm anticipating that Bitcoin will be going to 80K in the month of April. But what I will be doing with my trades is very interesting. I will be already taking some good profits once reaching the 69K. I will be at least taking 40% out of my trade to secure in some profits, move up my stop loss, and of course the rest will be very interested. But yes, I'm anticipating an 80K Bitcoin, but I will be already taking very good profits once reaching the 69K, the 70K, 72K. But yeah, let's see what we're going to do. But for the trades, I will be taking profits earlier because, of course, sometimes it's very important to take your profits. And of course, once closing this trade, because I will be closing this trade somewhere. I will be closing the trade somewhere. I will be, of course, looking for the next trade. And if you're willing to jump onto the next trade, because we're currently in approximately 5 Bitcoin positions, and I'm currently also in approximately 50 or 40K profit. So doing such a good job here, looking forward to it, and also getting another supportive donation, guys. You can be already joining the Discord server as well. You can be joining the channel here because we're almost having 30.4K subscribers as well here. And we will be, of course, discussing every single thing live in the stream, guys. So yeah, I do still think 80K is in the books. So Bitcoin has been increasing a little bit here. New 4-hourly candle for Bitcoin as well, and we're pumping a little bit to the upside. So first, Uncle Kaboom, thank you for support of the nation. 8 Aussie dollars. They're saying, hey, what's your end 2021 price prediction for Engine Coin? So, I mean, guys, I don't really like to do price predictions, to be honest, but I can give my easy price prediction because I still think for each and every coin, and even though I think NFTs are just starting up here, I'm also usually exposed to NFTs, but I'm more exposed to the minor projects that are not popped yet here because Engine Coin, of course, already popped off to the upside. For Engine Coin, I still think a 5x is in the books. I think it's already sitting pretty high. But of course, a 5 to 10x is still in the play. So price prediction will be approximately $15 or so. $15 can be reached there in, let's say, maybe 15 days, because this is purely looking the exact same like 2017. Huge run up, then consolidation, then another huge run up, and I think $15 or so will be definitely reached. $15 will definitely be reached. And then I just thought I don't really like to do price predictions because I definitely think a lot of altcoins will be doing the exact same. They are going to have, by the end of the cycle, they're going to have approximately the same gains here. Of course, some other projects will be having more. You're saying end of the year prediction for Persic. And this coin is pretty hard to say because Engine coin is a coin that I know. I did my research on, but this coin I completely don't know here. And there's so many new coins that are coming out. So, I mean, this coin looks like it's just coming on the market. On August, and it is not pumped that significantly yet, so maybe this one can give you some more returns because also the market cap is a little bit lower. So yeah, it can still be a potential 20x or so, but it's very hard to give my prediction about this one because I don't know the fundamental worth of it. But yeah, coin where I can do my price prediction are coins like what should I do? I mean, Polkastart is also increasing quite significantly, guys. We were talking about Polkastart every single stream, of course. Let's see, finally, some increase in the price once again. And this one, it was cooling up from the $7. $7.40 it was topping out at. But, I mean, it was cooling up for a second. And right now showing a lot of momentum strength is gaining once again back. Also, Polkadot is increasing. I think Polkastart will be definitely heading towards the $8 to $10 in the coming 1 week or 2 weeks. Oh, guys, so you are saying Bitcoin, holy F. Holy motherfuck, sorry, I can't say that, otherwise I get demonetized, but holy F, man. Holy damn, what is Bitcoin doing? Are we finally going to see this pump through? Are we going to see it? That will be amazing. That will be definitely amazing. And damn, guys, sorry for me. There's a little bit of a delay here in the chat. It's approximately 20 seconds, and everyone is still saying it in the chat, and I see everyone enjoying the Bitcoin pump here and already getting majorly rejected here. And look at this 15-minute candle. Insane volume is already coming in here. I mean, it was not having quite high volume. It's not very high volume, to be honest, if you compare it to other candles. But yes, Bitcoin is pumping once again, guys. Definitely lovely to see. It got rejected. It went to the 59.89K here. And right now going a little bit lower once again. So yeah, the trades are doing good here as well on Bybit. Trades are doing good. And oh, damn it, guys. We're definitely lovely. Can we smash through the all-time high? We all fought it all, and we all fought it all. So yeah, can we smash through the all-time high? Let me know real quickly. So let me flip it back to the 1 hour and look at the pattern that we were first discussing here. Do I still have it open? Do I still have it open? No, I don't. So yeah, we were still looking at this this channel over here. We were still looking at the SNX triangle, guys, and we haven't. Of course, this is a very nice bump. I'm not saying it's bad for Bitcoin. We are having a very nice bump. But if you're willing, I mean, I told you already, going long on Bitcoin is never bad at the moment because I'm feeling very bullish on Bitcoin. Everyone is laughing. Holy F. Yeah, I mean, holy F. That's definitely what I want to say. And also getting another supportive donation. Please look at BitTorrent when you are free. So Lynchy, definitely I will be looking at BitTorrent once Bitcoin is just cooling up for a second because Bitcoin, of course, showing insane volatility right now. But yeah, look at this. We still have to crush through this this previous high, guys, over here. We still have to crush through this high. And if we're going to do so, I will be looking to trade Bitcoin, of course. Very nice. I would. I mean, I'm already in my position, so I will be only loving it to if Bitcoin is really going to smash through this line. And yeah, if I look to my trades right away, you can see they're just absolutely smashing off once again. I'm making so many gains here. Lovely to see, and of course, I want to share my gains all together with you guys. Watch the 15-minute chart, Crypto Rover. Of course, let me check the 15-minute. You can see it's pretty interesting. These are whale games, guys. These are whale games. There are just some big. I don't think institution buying is over the weekend, so these are probably some whale games. Whales are re-entering the market, or there can be huge whale accumulation right now because this is already. Look at this. This is just sideways action, and probably a lot of sell orders are coming in because this is a major resistance, guys. A lot of sell orders coming in, but still, there can be a possibility that whales are just holding on the price over here. So yeah, very exciting. Very, very exciting. So let me also go to CryptoQuant. Maybe we are having some very interesting data. Let me also open up Glassnode here. We can be looking on the on-chain data in a second here, guys. Please don't say, okay, I have to. Let me quickly fix this. Let me quickly fix this. But yeah, you can see Bitcoin pumping. So oh, we're up at a new 50-minute candle. Can we smash through it? Can we smash through it? That would be amazing. Guys, so I changed my password recently, so let me fix my account to Glassnode in a second. But yeah, first let's just look at Bitcoin. Let's just look at Bitcoin. Yeah, San Diego, that would be a cool idea. But first, San Diego, you're talking about Dubai. I will be, guys, for everyone who's new to the channel. We'll be also making more content in exactly 1 month, because on the 3rd of May I will be going to Dubai for a month, and I'm looking to get an apartment as well over there. So I'm just looking around there, having some appointments with some real estate agents to get my own apartment over there. So just looking around over there. So yeah, I will be definitely looking to get an apartment over there. So of course I don't know exactly where, but I definitely want to have a view on the Burj Khalifa, because that's the best thing you have, right? Litecoin, bro, that's right. Let me check it. Yeah, guys, yeah, we are still staying on the sidelines for Litecoin. We're still staying on the sidelines. I am at 350% with a 50x leverage on Ethereum. You are doing an insane job, San Diego. But please, 50x leverage is pretty risky. You want to be careful and always look at the risk that you're attaching to it. But let's look at Bitcoin. We can see the competition still standing P4, guys. I don't want to be getting this P1. Only 3 days left in the Australian competition, guys. It's going so quickly. We need to capture this at least P3 or P2, guys. But this will be definitely coming okay once Bitcoin is, of course, going to pump to new all-time highs. Let's see if we can do it within the coming 3 days here. I definitely think that we can. Guys, the wick is going to 100x. I don't know what you mean with that. But look at this. This Bitcoin pump was insane. What is the Ethereum entry price? We'll be joining more streams after Easter. We're going with the family right now. Good luck streaming and against Shelro. Definitely, you're completely right. Go enjoy your time with the family. Go enjoy the prime time with your family. So happy Easter, everyone. Long-term Dubai. I will be going for 1 month to Dubai right now, but I will be looking to get my. I will be looking to live there. I'm looking to emigrate over there, but that will be probably in September approximately. But yeah, looking forward to it. Because in the summer, let's say in July, in August, it is way too hot over there. You don't want to. Of course, you do always want to be there, but in the summer, it's way too hot over there. So in the summer, I will be just going to America, just other places. Of course, if the coronavirus, yeah, if it let me, because I can't say it. I can't. Why did I say it? Because maybe if you said this word, you can get shadow banned by YouTube. So I don't want to say it. I want to be careful with this. Yeah, damn, I think I already said it. So this is pretty unfortunate. Yeah, oh damn. I got shadow banned right now. I can already see it. So this is pretty unfortunate. I got shadow banned. Damn it. I got shadow banned. I said the word and right away getting a shadow banned. So that's pretty unfortunate, guys. I can't. This is really. I hate it. Really. I really hate it. By YouTube. Why are they doing this? If you're saying, I can say it right now multiple times, but if you say the V word or the C word, you know, the epidemic word, you're getting right away shadow banned by YouTube. So that's pretty unfortunate. Come to Singapore. Yeah, definitely. Singapore's good love. Restart your stream. We will be right back. Yeah, let's restart the stream. Otherwise, I don't know, because it's shadow banned. I mean, why is YouTube like this? This is so annoying, guys. Did you really? Yeah, I did. The C or V word. Yeah, it's an epidemic word. What is a shadow ban? Yeah, that's so weird. It's so weird why YouTube is doing this. I don't get it, guys. Should I restart the stream real quickly? How do you can tell that you're shadow banned? So you can search yourself up here. If you just search for Crypto Rover, you can't see I'm live, and usually you can see that I'm live. You can see right away on the top. Or if you search for Crypto Rover live, you can't find me. You can't find me anymore. So it's so annoying. It's so annoying that we are doing this. Longest Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. I think I will be just restarting the stream, guys. This is it's so annoying that YouTube is doing this. Yeah, algorithm is so restart the stream. Yes, okay. Okay, I will be restarting the stream real quickly, guys. So give me 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes. Give me 1 minute, and I will be right away back here. I will be right away back here. So make sure to keep an eye out on the channel. Just go to the channel, give me 1 minute, and we'll be right back, because there's so many things that we still have to discuss here, guys. So going to end the stream right now. Be right back.